Hello everyone, I am here to do an unboxing today of my Noobie box. I got this in the mail and I thought I would go ahead and film opening it up and going through it. This is a pretty neat thing that you can get if you are a mom or a mom-to-be, or if you possibly want to go ahead and do it for somebody else that you know that is expecting. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you are not familiar with Noobie, let's see Noobie right here, Noobie Box. What it is it is a box that you can go ahead and sign up for on their website. You only have to pay the $4.95 shipping, and they will send you a welcome box for moms to be, or you can maybe possibly grab this for somebody else that is expecting, or let them know about it so they can go ahead and sign up themselves. So I heard about it online and I went ahead and signed up, and mine came in the mail. So I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing with you guys. There are a couple different other ones that you can do. I have a, I still don't know how to say this, I guess it's Kind breastfeeding sample kit that I also got for free. I'll do a separate video on that one. There are all kinds of things for expecting mothers that they can sign up for and get free formula. All of these kinds of free welcome boxes. When you do your registry, you can get bags or goodie bags or boxes from the specific stores that you register with. So I'm going to do a combined video once I get everything, but as I get the boxes, I would just want to do single videos of those for now. So this is the Noobie box, and they just give you a little welcome letter. It's wrapped up very cute. They have it in tissue paper here. And let's see what we got. It came pretty quickly as well. Ooh, it's cute stuff. Okay, so there is a Noobie guide, coupons, tips for new moms, and art prints. So there's a little book in here, baby registry checklist, birth facts, newborn must-haves, breastfeeding tips, nursing essentials, and of course coupons. So they put a couple of different coupons in here. Let me see if I can find anything for you. Well, this is something else I definitely am going to go over with you guys on another video. All of these different gift cards you can get. I'll include the links below for you, but I want to do a separate video and showing you how to get the most bang for your buck out of these gift cards, because you can do it frugally, and you can get some pretty neat stuff for free. There's a water wipes coupon in here, just a little booklet for you to read. So I'll move on. Looks like we have a natural nasal saline solution. So you can save that for when your little one arrives. 2 little free samples of that inside there. And this is a supplemental drink for mom, a breastfeeding supplement. A little packet to mix up. Free sample of a pad. Oh, so cute. Okay. There's also a sample of Purell spray to keep in your diaper bag. Aquaphor diaper rash, free sample. Oh, cool. This is breastfeeding 2 disposable nursing pads, and they also have in here 2 breast milk storage bags. It looks like there might be a coupon in here, but I really don't want to open it. I just rather keep it sterile for now. But 2 nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. And we have, oh, nice. Oh, cool. So water wipes, nice packet of free sample water wipes. And then on the back of that, there's also a coupon that you can clip out after you're done. Sweet. 5 free diapers. And last but not least, this is awesome, a MAM bottle. So this is a really good box. All I did was paid for the shipping, and I got all of these free samples. And I have been signing up for other ones. Like I told you, I got the Kind breastfeeding kit. I have my baby list box coming. I should have my Amazon welcome box coming. My Walmart baby box is coming. Target I have to go and pick up inside the store. And that is all I can think of right now. I also did, like I was telling you about those gift cards that you get. I'll include all of the links below for you. Basically just free gift cards. So $50 completely free from Canopy, a Canopy company for your car seats. $35 completely free from Udder covers to cover when you're breastfeeding. $40 completely free from 7 Baby. That is like the sling that you can wear so you can wear your baby. $35 free from hooded towels. So there's just all kinds of different ones that you can get. So far, the only thing I've gotten that I've got, because I got a free, I think I had a free $35 gift card from them for the nursing pillow. So the nursing pillow is completely free, but you pay for the shipping. So I paid, I think, $12 or $13 shipping, but I got a nursing pillow, and it came in the mail the other day. And it just fits right around your waist. I know I have my camera up high right now, but it fits around your waist, and you can go ahead and set, let's see if I can put this down a little bit. So you can set the baby down on it. So it's not a huge one, but for being free, I thought I would go ahead and pick one up. So I'm going to go ahead and get some more, fill out some more of my gift cards. And as they come in, I will let you know. It's hit or miss with those products. Some things you really have to figure if it's worth it for you to spend the shipping money or not. So be sensible about it, be smart about it. And I will have an upcoming video of going over all of those websites for you and how to get the most bang for your buck, because some of the items are on multiple sites and they will be cheaper on another one. So I'll kind of give you some tips how to use those gift cards to get to maximize your savings while using your freebie gift cards. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.